In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in HubSpot. To do that, first head over here into your sales, and you should be able to see right here all of the sales tools that you can have. Now, you also have the option to just click onto the search bar and search right here for payment links. So search right here for payment link. Here we have it right here, so click on this. Now click onto this create a payment link option. Then you can use a blank or use a template. I'll head over and use right here a template that we can use. Now choose between templates that we have. On this case, let's choose subscription. Now for this, you need to actually choose the one that is befitting to your service or product. So once you're done with this, click on next. And you should be able to see right here the payment link that you have created. You can add right here your line items, summaries, settings, and the likes. And then you can just proceed to input right here billings and save this once you're done. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.